me when I heard the new oof sound. Okay, I'll stop. Okay, so it's time. Did you just put no? Okay, you put this in the oven. Put it in the oven. Yes! Finally. This is like so hard to do with a person. Wait. Oh my god. Okay, and we do this, and now I'm gonna put the pizza in the oven. How do I open the oven? No! Put the pizza in the oven! Put the pizza in the oven. No, not yay. I can't put the pizza in the oven. Okay, I put the pizza in the oven. Okay, now let's close it. Okay, what is this? Why is it 2 dogs and a rat? Oh no, I'm not doing that. Okay. Oh, it's done. It's done. It's done. Put it in there. It's done. Okay, so now why is that one golden? Wait, someone over the soda. What? Okay, now we have to do cheesy. Oh, I got a paycheck for working. I think it just says that every time. Because we're always working. Okay, I kind of want to see what you can do as a dog. Okay, you have to pay Robux. Okay, my cat does not look like a cat. Okay, now why is it in my hat? This is what they meant by cat in the hat. Ooh, son, I nearly just burned the pizza. Okay. Oh, why is it so easy? Do we just... Okay, I'm gonna do the whatever that is pizza. Okay, what is this? What is it? This? Okay, I don't want... Why do they look like that? I'm ready. You do bestie. You do best. That sounds like a customer. Nearly just burned the... Okay. Oh my god, I can't... Okay, fine. Nelly. Okay, this. Okay. Okay, okay, and we put no. Okay. This is what I like to call decision time. Get 10 meals. What? No, I don't want bugs. Jimmy grapple. Okay, take this out. And now we have to put this on the head. Okay, it's actually hard. Bro, let me put it there. Okay, and then now we... What? And now we put the pepperoni on the pizza, and then we put the tomato on the pizza, and then we're gonna put the pepperoni in the oven. Yeah. Cook it. I'm gonna go in the oven. Oh. No. Get the fire string with the... Well, I was on my feet. Okay, thankfully my other pizza wasn't ruined on the ground. Hey guys, you want to see something cool? Yes, you want to see something cool. And okay, oh, okay, I just burned the pizza. No. Okay, chili. Yeah, they would like this. Okay, now it looks like a Oreo without the top cream. Okay, now it's Oreo. I thought that okay, who's the manager? Okay, Scream. Oh my god. Okay, why is it on my toast? Okay, no. I can't! Oh my god. Just, what? Dude, we round out of the buys. What does that mean? No, only that. What is that? Who put the dough in the oven without? Why is it that? I wanna do the... Oh, I wanna do the cheesy. I wanna do the pee-pee. I wanna do the poops on the pizzas. Okay, put this in the pizza. We're literally running out of ingredients, dude. We can't make What do you mean not cooked? Oh. Okay, put both of them. Yeah, put both of them. They actually worked. Okay, poop on the... Who did this? You know what? I'm just gonna put it in the oven. No, not the oven. The trash. Okay. If everyone is gonna be like this, I will be like dumb. No, you can't. Ew, pizza. Okay, pizza. Who likes pizza? Yes. I got the perfect pizza, guys. We need to put the ketchup on it because they're dead, and now we need to put this in. What did I just do? Okay, I'm gonna put this on the floor, and then another perfect pizza. Potato cream. Okay, maybe this is vision. I just cooked the bugs. Yes. Ew, gross. What are you doing? Okay, get off me. Just get off me. Go under the table. You are not the real baller. How about you be an ingredient? What is this? Gosh. You know what? I'm gonna see what the present is. Keep. Of this baller stupid head is gonna stop. I would make them stop in life. Okay, cat, feed. I'm gonna feed the cat with feed. Oh my god. It looks like she's eating my arm. Pet, stop petting. I'm not really petting. Huh? This looks. This literally. You know, the employee of the day. Okay. Okay. Now there's blood on the table. Okay, now we put the pizza on the pizza. No. I'm not a bad employee. Okay, pepperoni pizza. Cake, player, cake. Wait, double pizza. And now we have to do the poopy pizza. I don't even know what it was, so I'll just call it poopy pizza. Okay. Double pizza. Super fast double pizza.